Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will discuss NEET 2024 previous year questions with answers. Let's start the video. 1. Lecithin, a small molecular weight organic compound found in living tissues, is an example of 1. Amino acids, 2. Phospholipids, 3. Glycerides, 4. Carbohydrates. Answer. 2. Phospholipids. 2. How many molecules of ATP and NADPH are required for every molecule of carbon monoxide, fixed in the Calvin cycle? 1. 2 molecules of ATP and 3 molecules of NADPH. 2. 2 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADPH. 3. 3 molecules of ATP and 3 molecules of NADPH. 4. 3 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADPH. Answer. 4. 3 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADPH. 3. Hin2 always cuts DNA molecules at a particular point called recognition sequence, and it consists of 1. 8 base pair, 2. 6 base pair, 3. 4 base pair, 4. 1 O base pair. Answer. 2. 6 base pair. 4. In the given figure, which component has thin outer walls and highly thickened inner walls? 1. C, 2. D, 3. A, 4. B. Answer. 1. C. 5. The cofactor of the enzyme carboxypeptidase is 1. Zinc, 2. Niacin, 3. Flavin, 4. Heme. Answer. 1. Zinc. 6. The capacity to generate a whole plant from any cell of the plant is called 1. Totipotency, 2. Micropropagation, 3. Differentiation, 4. Somatic hybridization. Answer. 1. Totipotency. 7. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List eel. A. Rhizopus. 1. Mushroom. B. Ostilago. 2. Smut fungus. C. Puccinia. 3. Bread mold. D. Agaricus. 4. Rust fungus. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A3, B2, C4, D1. 2. A1, B3, C2, D4. 3. A3, BL, C1, D4. 4. A4, B3, C2, D1. Answer. 1. A3, B2, C4, D1. 8. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Bt toxins are insect group specific and coded by a gene Cry1AC. Statement 2. Bt toxin exists as inactive protoxin in B. thuringiensis. However, after ingestion by the insect, the inactive protoxin gets converted into active form due to acidic pH of the insect gut. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. 3. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. 4. Statement 1 is false but statement eel is true. Answer. 3. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. 9. Which of the following is an example of actinomorphic flower? 1. Datura. 2. Cassia. 3. Pisum. 4. Sesbania. Answer. 1. Datura. 10. The type of conservation in which the threatened species are taken out from their natural habitat and placed in special setting where they can be protected and given special care is called 1. In situ conservation. 2. Biodiversity conservation. 3. Semi-conservative method. 4. Sustainable development. Answer. 2. Biodiversity conservation. 11. Identify the set of correct statements. A. The flowers of Vallisneria are colorful and produce nectar. B. The flowers of water lily are not pollinated by water. C. In most of water-pollinated species, the pollen grains are protected from wetting. D. Pollen grains of some hydrophytes are long and ribbon-like. E. In same hydrophytes, the pollen grains are carried passively inside water. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. C, D and E only. 2. A, B, C and D only. 3. A, C, D and E only. 4. B, C, D and E only. Answer. 4. B, C, D and E only. 12. The lactose present in the growth medium of bacteria is transported to the cell by the action of 1. Beta-galactosidase. 2. Acetylase. 3. Permease. 4. Polymerase. Answer. 3. Permease. 13. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Clostridium butylicum. 1. Ethanol. B. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. 2. Streptokinase. C. Trichoderma polysporum. 3. Butyric acid. D. Streptococcus sp. 4. Cyclosporin A. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A3, B1, C2, D4. 2A2, B4, C3, D1. 3A3, B1, C4, D2. 4A4, B1, C3, D2. Answer: 3A3, B1, C4, D2. 14. The equation of Wahl's-Pearl logistic growth is dN upon dt is equal to Rnk minus N upon K. From this equation, K indicates 1. Intrinsic rate of natural increase. 2. Biotic potential. 3. Carrying capacity. 4. Population density. Answer: 3. Carrying capacity. 15. Auxin is used by gardeners to prepare weed-free lawns. But no damage is caused to grass as auxin. 1. Promotes apical dominance. 2. Promotes abscission of mature leaves only. 3. Does not affect mature monocotyledonous plants. 4. Can help in cell division in grasses, to produce growth. Answer: 3. Does not affect mature monocotyledonous plants. 16. Identify the part of the seed from the given figure which is destined to form root when the seed germinates. 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D. Answer: 3C. 17. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Parenchyma is living but collenchyma is dead tissue. Statement 2. Gymnosperms lack xylem vessels but presence of xylem vessels is the characteristic of angiosperms. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. 3. Statement 1 is true but statement E is false. 4. Statement 1 is false but statement E is true. Answer: 4. Statement 1 is false but statement E is true. 18. These are regarded as major causes of biodiversity loss. A. Overexploitation. B. Co-extinction. C. Mutation. D. Habitat loss and fragmentation. E. Migration. Choose the correct option. 1A, C and D only. 2A, B, C and D only. 3A, B and E only. 4A, B and D only. Answer: 4A, B and D only. 19. Which one of the following is not a criterion for classification of fungi? 1. Morphology of mycelium. 2. Mode of nutrition. 3. Mode of spore formation. 4. Fruiting body. Answer: 2. Mode of nutrition. 20. Identify the type of flowers based on the position of calyx, corolla and andrecium with respect from the given figures A and B. 1. A. Epigynous. B. Hypogynous. 2. A. Hypogynous. B. Epigynous. 3. A. Perigynous. B. Epigynous. 4. A. Perigynous. B. Pengynous. Answer: 4. A. Perigynous. B. Pengynous. 21. List of endangered species was released by 1. GEAC. 2. WWF. 3. FOAM. 4. IUCN. Answer: 4. IUCN. 22. What is the fate of a piece of DNA carrying only gene of interest which is transferred into an alien organism? A. The piece of DNA would be able to multiply itself independently in the progeny cells of the organism. B. It may get integrated into the genome of the recipient. C. It may multiply and be inherited along with the host DNA. D. The alien piece of DNA is not an integral part of chromosome. E. It shows ability to replicate. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A and B only. 2. D and E only. 3. B and C only. 4. A and E only. Answer: 3. B and C only. 23. Which one of the following can be explained on the basis of Mendel's law of dominance? A. Out of one pair of factors one is dominant and the other is recessive. B. Alleles do not show any expression and both the characters appear as such in F generation. C. Factors occur in pairs in normal diploid plants. D. The discrete unit controlling a particular character is called factor. E. The expression of only one of the parental characters is found in a monohybrid cross. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1a, B and C only. 2a, C, D and E only. 3b, C and D only. 4a, B, C, D and E. Answer: 2a, C, D and E only. 24. Inhibition of succinate dehydrogenase enzyme by malonate is a classical example of 1. Cofactor inhibition. 2. Feedback inhibition. 3. Competitive inhibition. 4. Enzyme activation. Answer: 3. Competitive inhibition. 25. Formation of interfascicular cambium from fully developed parenchyma cells is an example for 1. Differentiation. 2. Redifferentiation. 3. Dedifferentiation. 4. Maturation. Answer: 3. Dedifferentiation. 26. Spindle fibers attach to kinetochores of chromosomes during 1. Prophase. 2. Metaphase. 3. Anaphase. 4. Telophase. Answer: 2. Metaphase. 27. Tropical regions show greatest level of species richness because a. Tropical latitudes have remained relatively undisturbed for millions of years, hence more time was available for species diversification. B. Tropical environments are more seasonal. C. More solar energy is available in tropics. D. Constant environments promote niche specialization. E. Tropical environments are constant and predictable. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1a, C, D and E only. 2a and B only. 3a, band E only. 4a, B and D only. Answer: 1a, C, D and E only. 28. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Chromosomes become gradually visible under light microscope during leptoten stage. Statement 2. The beginning of diplotin stage is recognized by dissolution of synaptonemal complex. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. 2. Both statement 2 and statement 2 are false. 3. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. 4. Statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. Answer: 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. 29. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List eel. A. Nucleolus. 1. Site of formation of glycolipid. B. Centriole. 2. Organization like the cartwheel. C. Leucoplasts. 3. Site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis. D. Golgi apparatus. 4. For storing nutrients. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1a3, b2, c4, d1. 2a2, b3, c1, d4. 3a3, b4, c2, d1. 4a1, b2, c3, d4. Answer: 1a3, b2, c4, d1. 30. Bulliform cells are responsible for 1. Inward curling of leaves in monocots. 2. Protecting the plant from salt stress. 3. Increased photosynthesis in monocots. 4. Providing large spaces for storage of sugars. Answer: 1. Inward curling of leaves in monocots. 31. A pink-flowered snapdragon plant was crossed with a red-flowered snapdragon plant. What type of phenotype are expected in the progeny? 1. Only red-flowered plants. 2. Red-flowered as well as pink-flowered plants. 3. Only pink-flowered plants. 4. Red, pink as well as white-flowered plants. Answer: 2. Red-flowered as well as pink-flowered plants. 32. A transcription unit in DNA is defined primarily by the three regions in DNA, and these are with respect to upstream and downstream end. 1. Repressor, operator gene, structural gene. 2. Structural gene, transposons, operator gene. 3. Inducer, repressor, structural gene. 4. Promoter, structural gene, terminator. Answer: 4. Promoter, structural gene, terminator. 33. In a plant, black seed color, BB, B-flat, is dominant over white seed color, BB. In order to find out the genotype of the black seed plant, with which of the following genotype will you cross it? 1. BB, 2. BB, 3. B-flat, 4. Bb, B flat. Answer. 2. Bb. 34. Which of the following are required for the dark reaction of photosynthesis? A. Light. B. Chlorophyll. C. Carbon dioxide. D. ATP. E. NADPH. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A, B and C only. 2. B, C and D only. 3. C, D and E only. 4. D and E only. Answer. 3. C, D and E only. 35. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. A. 2 or more alternative forms of a gene. B. Cross of 5 progeny with homozygous recessive parent. C. Cross of 5 progeny with any of the parents. D. Number of chromosome sets in plant. List 2. 1. Back cross. 2. Ploidy. 3. Allele. 4. Test cross. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A1, B2, C3, D4. 2. A2, B1, C3, D4. 3. A3, B4, C1, D2. 4. A4, B3, C2, D1. Answer. 3. A3, B4, C1, D2. 36. The DNA present in chloroplast is 1. Linear, double-stranded. 2. Circular, double-stranded. 3. Linear, single-stranded. 4. Circular, single-stranded. Answer. 2. Circular, double-stranded. 37. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Robert May. 1. Species area relationship. B. Alexander von Humboldt. 2. Long-term ecosystem experiment using outdoor plots. C. Paul Ehrlich. 3. Global species diversity at about 7 million. D. David Tillman. 4. Rivet-Popper hypothesis. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A2, B3, C1, D4. 2. A3, B1, C4, D2. 3. A1, B3, C2, D4. 4. A3, B4, C2, D1. Answer. 2. A3, B1, C4, D2. 38. Match list I with list 2. List 1. List 2. A rose. 1. Twisted estivation. B. P. 2. Perigenous flower. C. Cotton. 3. Drupe. D. Mango. Ivy. Marginal placentation. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A2, B4, C1, D3. 2. A1, B2, C3, D4. 3. A4, B3, C2, D1. 4. A2, B3, C4, D1. Answer. 1. A2, B4, C1, D3. 39. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the process of replication in E. coli? 1. The DNA-dependent DNA polymerase catalyses polymerization in one direction, that is 3 feet to 5 feet. 2. The DNA-dependent RNA polymerase catalyses polymerization in one direction, that is 5 feet to 3 feet. 3. The DNA-dependent DNA polymerase catalyses polymerization in 5 feet to 3 feet as well as 3 feet to 5 feet direction. 4. The DNA-dependent DNA polymerase catalyses polymerization in 5 feet to 3 feet direction. Answer. 4. The DNA-dependent DNA polymerase catalyses polymerization in 5 feet to 3 feet direction. 40. Identify the correct description about the given figure. 1. Wind-pollinated plant inflorescence showing flowers with well-exposed stamens. 2. Water-pollinated flowers showing stamens with mucilaginous covering. 3. Cleistogamous flowers showing autogamy. 4. Compact inflorescence showing complete autogamy. Answer. 1. Wind-pollinated plant inflorescence showing flowers with well-exposed stamens. 41. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List eel. A. Citric acid cycle. 1. Cytoplasm. B. Glycolysis. 2. Mitochondrial matrix. C. Electron transport system. 3. Intermembrane space of mitochondria. D. Proton gradient. 4. Inner mitochondrial membrane. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A1, B2, C3, D4. 2A2, B1, C4, D3. 3A3, B4, C1, D2. 4A4, B3, C2, D1. Answer: 2A2, B1, C4, D3. 42. Read the following statements and choose the set of correct statements. In the members of Phaeophyceae. A. Asexual reproduction occurs usually by biflagellate zoospores. B. Sexual reproduction is by Kagamus method only. C. Stored food is in the form of carbohydrates, which is either mannitol or laminarin. D. The major pigments found are chlorophyll A, C and carotenoids and xanthophyll. E. Vegetative cells have a cellulosic wall, usually covered on the outside by gelatinous coating of algin. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A, B, C and D only. 2B, C, D and E only. 3A, C, D and E only. 4A, B, C and E only. Answer: 3A, C, D and E only. 43. In an ecosystem, if the net primary productivity (NPP) of first trophic level is 100x kilocalorie m2 yr1, what would be the GPP gross primary productivity of the third trophic level of the same ecosystem? Answer: option number 3. 44. Match list 1 with list L. List 1. List L. A. GLUT4. 1. Hormone. B. Insulin. 2. Enzyme. C. Trypsin. 3. Intercellular ground substance. D. Collagen. 4. Enables glucose transport into cells. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A4, B1, C2, D2. 2A1, B2, C3, D4. 3A2, B3, C4, D1. 4A3, B4, C1, D2. Answer: 1A4, B1, C2, D2. 45. Identify the step in tricarboxylic acid cycle, which does not involve oxidation of substrate. 1. Malic acid oxaloacetic acid. 2. Succinic acid malic acid. 3. Succinyl-CoA succinic acid. 4. Isocitrate alpha catagluteric acid. Answer: 3. Succinyl-CoA succinic acid. 46. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. In C3 plants, some O2 binds to rubusco, hence CO2 fixation is decreased. Statement 2. In C4 plants, mesophyll cells show very little photorespiration while bundle sheath cells do not show photorespiration. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. 3. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. 4. Statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. Answer: 3. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. 47. Match list 1 with list 2. List 2. Types of stamens. List 2. Example: A. Monodelphos. 1. Citrus. B. Diadelphos. 2. P. C. Polyadelphos. 3. Lily. D. Epiphilus. 4. China rose. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A4, B2, C1, D3. 2A4, B1, C2, D3. 3A1, B2, C4, D3. 4A3, B1, C4, D2. Answer: 1A4, B2, C1, D3. 48. Match list I with list 2. List I. List 2. A. Frederick Griffith. 1. Genetic code. B. Francois Jacob and Jack Monod. 2. Semi-conservative mode of DNA replication. C. Har Gobind Khorana. 3. Transformation. D. Michelson and Stahl. 4. Lac operon. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A3, B2, C1, D4. 2A3, B4, C1, D2. 3A2, B3, C4, D1. 4A4, B1, C2, D3. Answer: 2A3, B4, C1, D2. 49. Which of the following are fused in somatic hybridization involving two varieties of plants? 1. Callus. 2. Somatic embryos. 3. Protoplasts. 4. Pollens. Answer. 3. Protoplasts. 50. Spraying sugarcane crop with which of the following plant growth regulators increases the length of stem, thus increasing the yield? 1. Auxin. 2. Gibberellin. 3. Cytokinin. 4. Abscisic acid. Answer. 2. Gibberellin. 51. Following are the stages of pathway for conduction of an action potential through the heart. A. AV bundle. B. Purkinje fibers. C. AV node. D. Bundle branches. E. SA node. Choose the correct sequence of pathway from the options given below. 1. ECADB. 2. AECBD. 3. BDECA. 4. EADBC. Answer. 1. ECADB. 52. In both sexes of cockroach, a pair of jointed filamentous structures called anal cerci are present on 1. 5th segment. 2. 1/0th segment. 3. 8th and 9th segment. 4. 1/1th segment. Answer. 2. 1/0th segment. 53. The flippers of the penguins and dolphins are the example of the 1. Adaptive radiation. 2. Natural selection. 3. Convergent evolution. 4. Divergent evolution. Answer. 3. Convergent evolution. 54. Which of the following is not a component of fallopian tube? 1. Uterine fundus. 2. Isthmus. 3. Infundibulum. 4. Ampulla. Answer. 1. Uterine fundus. 55. Given below are some stages of human evolution. Arrange them in correct sequence. Past to recent. A. Homo habilis. B. Homo sapiens. C. Homo neanderthalensis. D. Homo erectus. Choose the correct sequence of human evolution from the options given below. 1. DACB. 2. BADC. 3. CBDA. 4. ADCB. Answer. 4. ADCB. 56. Which of the following is not a steroid hormone? 1. Cortisol. 2. Testosterone. 3. Progesterone. 4. Glucagon. Answer. 4. Glucagon. 57. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Alpha-1 antitrypsin. 1. Cotton bollworm. B. Cry-lab. 2. Agar deficiency. C. Cry-AC. 3. Emphysema. D. Enzyme replacement therapy. 4. Corn borer. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A2. B1. C4. D3. 2. A3. B1. C2. D4. 3. A3. B4. C1. D2. 4. A2. B4. C1. D3. Answer. 3. A3. B4. C1. D2. 58. Following are the stages of cell division. A. Gap2 phase. B. Cytokinesis. C. Synthesis phase. D. Karyokinesis kinesis. E. Gap1 phase. Choose the correct sequence of stages from the options given below. 1. CEDAB. 2. EBDAC. 3. BDEAC. 4. ECADB. Answer. 4. ECADB. 59. Which one of the following factors will not affect the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? 1. Genetic recombination. 2. Genetic drift. 3. Gene migration. 4. Constant gene pool. Answer. 4. Constant gene pool. 60. Which of the following are autoimmune disorders? A. Myasthenia gravis. B. Rheumatoid arthritis. C. Gout. D. Muscular dystrophy. E. Systemic lupus erythematosus, SLE. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. A. B and only. 2. A. B and E only. 3. B. C and E only. 4. C. D and E only. Answer. 2. A. B and E only. 61. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Typhoid. 1. Fungus. B. Leishmaniasis. 2. Nematode. C. Ringworm. 3. Protozoa. D. Filariasis. 4. Bacteria. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A1. B3. C2. D4. 2A4, B3, C1, D2. 3A3, B1, C4, D2. 4A2, B4, C3, D1. Answer: 2A4, B3, C1, D2. 62. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1, list 2. A. Expiratory capacity. 1. Expiratory reserve volume plus tidal volume plus inspiratory reserve volume. B. Functional residual capacity. 2. Tidal volume plus expiratory reserve volume. C. Vital capacity. 3. Tidal volume inspiratory reserve volume. D. Inspiratory capacity. 4. Expiratory reserve volume plus residual volume. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A2, B4, C1, D3. 2A3, B2, C4, D1. 3A2, B1, C4, D3. 4A1, B3, C2, D4. Answer: 1A2, B4, C1, D3. 63. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. A. Down syndrome. B. Alpha thalassemia. C. Beta thalassemia. D. Klinefelter syndrome. List 2. 1. 11th chromosome. 2. X chromosome. 3. 21st chromosome. IV. 16th chromosome. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A1, B2, C3, D4. 2A2, B3, C4, D1. 3A3, B4, C1, D2. 4A4, B1, C2, D3. Answer: 3AL, B4, C1, D2. 64. Given below are two statements, one is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A: FSH acts upon ovarian follicles in female and Leydig cells in male. Reason R: growing ovarian follicles secrete estrogen in female while interstitial cells secrete androgen in male human being. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 2. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. 3. A is true but R is false. 4. A is false but R is true. Answer: 4. A is false but R is true. 65. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1, list 2. A. Pleurobranchia. 1. Mollusca. B. Radula. 2. X. Ctenophora. C. Stomochord. 3. Osteichthyes. D. Air bladder. 4. Hemichordata. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A4, B2, C3, D1. 2A2, B1, C4, D3. 3A2, B4, C1, D3. 4A4, B3, C2, D1. Answer: 2A2, B1, C4, D3. 66. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. Subphases of prophase. List 2. Specific characters. A. Diakinesis. 1. Synaptonymal complex formation. B. Paketon. 2. Completion of terminalization of chiasmata. C. Zygotine. 3. Chromosomes look like thin threads. D. Leptoten. 4. Appearance of recombination nodules. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A4, B2, C3, D1. 2A1, B2, C4, D3. 3A2, B4, C1, D3. 4A4, B3, C2, D1. Answer: 3A2, B4, C1, D3. 67. The T plasmid of Agrobacterium tumefaciens stands for 1. Tumor-inhibiting plasmid. 2. Tumor-independent plasmid. 3. Tumor-inducing plasmid. 4. Temperature-independent plasmid. Answer: 3. Tumor-inducing plasmid. 68. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1, list 2. A cocaine. 1. Effective sedative in surgery. B. Heroin. 2. Cannabis sativa. C. Morphine. 3. Erythroxylum. D. Marijuana. 4. Papaver somniferum. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A 4, B3, C1, D2. 2A1, B3, C2, D4. 3A2, B1, C3, D4. 4A3, B4, C1, D2. Answer: 4A3, B4, C1, D2. 69. Which one is the correct product of DNA-dependent RNA polymerase to the given template? 3. TKTGGCA-KTTCA5. 1. 5. Avagjualjagbuagu 3. 2. 5. Oguaguavagagu 3. 3. 5. Avagbuavagagu 3. 4. 5. Agdactatagtaggt 3. Answer: 1. 5. Avagjualjagbuagu 3. 70. Match list 2 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Pons. 1. Provides additional space for neurons, regulates posture and balance. B. Hypothalamus. 2. Controls respiration and gastric secretions. C. Medulla. 3. Connects different regions of the brain. D. Cerebellum. 4. Neurosecretory cells. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A2, B3, C1, D4. 2A3, B4, C2, D1. 3A1, B3, C2, D4. 4A2, B1, C3, D4. Answer: 2A3, B4, C2, D1. 71. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Lipase. 1. Peptide bond. B. Nuclease. 2. Ester band. C. Protease. 3. Glycosidic bond. D. Amylase. IV. Phosphodiester bond. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A4, B2, C3, D1. 2A3, B2, C1, D4. 3A2, B4, C1, D3. 4A4, B1, C3, D2. Answer: 3A2, BIV, C1, D3. 72. Which of the following is not a natural, traditional contraceptive method? 1. Coitus interruptus. 2. Periodic abstinence. 3. Lactational amenorrhea. 4. Waltz. Answer: 4. Waltz. 73. Three types of muscles are given as A, B and C. Identify the correct matching pair along with their location in human body. Name of muscle, location. 1. A. Smooth toes. B. Skeletal legs. C. Cardiac heart. 2. A. Skeletal triceps. B. Smooth stomach. C. Cardiac heart. 3. A. Skeletal biceps. B. Involuntary intestine. C. Smooth heart. 4. A. Involuntary, nose tip. B. Skeletal bone. C. Cardiac heart. Answer: 2. A. Skeletal triceps. B. Smooth stomach. C. Cardiac heart. 74. Which of the following statements is incorrect? 1. A bioreactor provides optimal growth conditions for achieving the desired product. 2. Most commonly used bioreactors are of stirring type. 3. Bioreactors are used to produce small-scale bacterial cultures. 4. Bioreactors have an agitator system, an oxygen delivery system and foam control system. Answer: 3. Bioreactors are used to produce small-scale bacterial cultures. 75. Given below are two statements, one is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A: breastfeeding during initial period of infant growth is recommended by doctors for bringing a healthy baby. Reason R: colostrum contains several antibodies absolutely essential to develop resistance for the newborn baby. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. 2. Both A and R are correct but RI is not the correct explanation of A. 3. A is correct but R is not correct. 4. A is not correct but R is correct. Answer: 1. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. 76. Which of the following factors are favorable for the formation of oxyhemoglobin in alveoli? 1. High partial pressure of oxygen and high partial pressure of carbon monoxide. 2. High partial pressure of oxygen, and lesser hydrogen ion concentration. 3. Low partial pressure of carbon dioxide and high hydrogen ion concentration. 4. Low partial pressure of carbon monoxide, and high temperature. Answer. 2. High partial pressure of oxygen, and lesser hydrogen ion concentration. 77. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Common cold. 1. Plasmodium. B. Hemazoan. 2. Typhoid. C. Vidal test. 3. Rhinoviruses. D. Allergy. 4. Dust mites. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A2. B4. C3. D1. 2. A1. B3. C2. D4. 3. A3. B1. C2. D4. 4. A4. B2. C3. D1. Answer. 3. A3. B1. C2. D4. 78. Consider the following statements. A. Annelids are true coelomates. B. Porphyrins are pseudocoelomates. C. Aschelminthas are acoelomates. D. Platyhelminthes are pseudocoelomates. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. B only. 2. Or only. 3. C only. 4. D only. Answer. 2. Or only. 79. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Non-medicated IUD. 1. Multilode 375. B. Copper-releasing IUD. 2. Progestogens. C. Hormone-releasing IUD. 3. Lips loop. D. Implants. 4. LNG20. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. 1. A3. B1. C2. D4. 2. A1. B3. C4. D2. 3. A4. B1. C2. D3. 4. A3. B1. C4. D2. Answer. 4. A3. B1. C4. D2. 80. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. In the nephron, the descending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable to water and permeable to electrolytes. Statement 2. The proximal convoluted tubule is lined by simple columnar brush border epithelium and increases the surface area for reabsorption. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the option given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. 3. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. 4. Statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. Answer. 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. 81. The following diagram showing restriction sites in E. coli cloning vector PBR322. Find the role of X and Y genes. 1. The gene X is responsible for resistance to antibiotics and Y for protein involved in the replication of plasmid. 2. The gene X is responsible for controlling the copy number of the linked DNA and Y for protein involved in the replication of plasmid. 3. The gene X is for protein involved in replication of plasmid and Y for resistance to antibiotics. 4. Gene X is responsible for recognition sites and Y is responsible for antibiotic resistance. Answer. 2. The gene X is responsible for controlling the copy number of the linked DNA and Y for protein involved in the replication of plasmid. 82. Match list I with list 2. List I. List 2. A. Axoneme. 1. Centriole. B. Cartwheel pattern. 2. Cilia and flagella. C. Crista. 3. Chromosome. D. Satellite. 4. Mitochondria. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A4. B3. C2. D1. 2. A4. B2. C3. D1. 3. A2. B4. C1. D3. 4. A2. B1. C4. D3. Answer. 4. A2. B1. CIV. D3. 83. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Pterophyllum. 1. Hagfish. B. Myxine. 2. Sawfish. C. Pristis. 3. Angelfish. D. Uxocoetus. 4. Flying fish. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A2, B1, C4, D4. 2A3, B1, C2, D4. 3A4, B1, C2, D3. 4A3, B2, C1, D4. Answer: 2A3, B1, C2, D4. 84. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Fibrous joints. 1. Adjacent vertebrae, limited movement. B. Cartilaginous joints. 2. Humerus and pectoral girdle, rotational movement. C. Hinge joints. 3. Skull, don't allow any movement. D. Ball and socket joints. 4. Knee, help in locomotion. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A4, B2, C3, D1. 2A1, B3, C2, D4. 3A2, B3, C1, D4. 4A3, B1, C4, D2. Answer: 4A3, B1, C4, D2. 85. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. The presence or absence of hymen is not a reliable indicator of virginity. Statement 2. The hymen is torn during the first coitus only. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. 3. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. 4. Statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. Answer: 3. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. 86. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Gauss's competitive exclusion principle states that two closely related species competing for different resources cannot exist indefinitely. Statement 2. According to Gauss's principle, during competition, the inferior will be eliminated. This may be true if resources are limiting. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. 3. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. 4. Statement 1 is false but statement E is true. Answer: 4. Statement 1 is false but statement E is true. 87. Match list 1 with list 2 related to digestive system of cockroach. List 1. A. The structures used for storing of food. B. Ring of 6 to 8 blind tubules at junction of foregut and midgut. C. Ring of 100 to 150 yellow-colored thin filaments at junction of midgut and hindgut. D. The structures used for grinding the food. List 2. 1. Gizzard. 2. Gastruc saca. 3. Malpighian tubules. 4. Crop. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A4, B2, C3, D1. 2A1, B2, C3, D4. 3A4, B3, C2, D1. 4A3, V2, S4, D1. Answer: 1AIV, B2, C3, D1. 88. The following are the statements about non-chordates. A. Pharynx is perforated by gill slits. B. Notochord is absent. C. Central nervous system is dorsal. D. Heart is dorsal if present. E. Post-anal tail is absent. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. A and C only. 2. A, B and only. 3. B, D and E only. 4. B, C and D only. Answer: 3. B, D and E only. 89. Choose the correct statement given below regarding juxtamedullary nephron. 1. Juxtamedullary nephrons are located in the columns of Bertini. 2. Renal corpuscle of juxtamedullary nephron lies in the outer portion of the renal medulla. 3. Loop of Henle of juxtamedullary nephron runs deep into medulla. 4. Juxtamedullary nephrons outnumber the cortical nephrons. Answer: 3. Loop of Henle of juxtamedullary nephron runs deep into medulla. 90. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. The cerebral hemispheres are connected by nerve tract known as corpus callosum. Statement 2. The brain stem consists of the medulla oblongata, pons and cerebrum. In the light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. 4. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Answer. 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. 91. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Bone marrow is the main lymphoid organ where all blood cells including lymphocytes are produced. Statement 2. Both bone marrow and thymus provide microenvironments for the development and maturation of T lymphocytes. In the light of above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. 4. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. Answer. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 92. Regarding catalytic cycle of an enzyme action, select the correct sequential steps. A. Substrate enzyme complex formation. B. Free enzyme ready to bind with another substrate. C. Release of products. D. Chemical bonds of the substrate broken. E. Substrate binding to active site. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A, D, C, B. 2. A, E, B, D, C. 3. B, A, C, D, E. 4. E, D, C, B, A. Answer. 1. E, A, D, C, B. 93. Identify the correct option A, B, C, D with respect to spermatogenesis. 1. FSH, Leydig cells, Sertoli cells, spermiogenesis. 2. ICSH, interstitial cells, Leydig cells, spermiogenesis. 3. FSH, Sertoli cells, Leydig cells, spermatogenesis. 4. ICSH, Leydig cells, Sertoli cells, spermatogenesis. Answer. 1. FSH, Leydig cells, Sertoli cells, spermiogenesis. 94. Match list I with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Mesozoic era. 1. Lower invertebrates. B. Proterozoic era. 2. Fish and amphibia. C. Cenozoic era. 3. Birds and reptiles. D. Paleozoic era. 4. Mammals. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A2, B1, C3, D4. 2. A3, B1, C2, D4. 3. A1, B2, C4, D3. 4. A3, B1, C4, D2. Answer. 4. A3, B1, C4, D2. 95. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Unicellular glandular epithelium. 1. Salivary glands. B. Compound epithelium. 2. Pancreas. C. Multicellular glandular epithelium. 3. Goblet cells of alimentary canal. D. Endocrine glandular epithelium. 4. Moist surface of buccal cavity. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A2, B1, C3, D4. 2. A4, B3, C1, D2. 3. A3, B4, C1, D2. 4. A2, B1, C4, D3. Answer. 3. A3, B4, C1, D2. 96. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. RNA polymerase 3. 1. snRNPs. B. Termination of transcription. 2. Promoter. C. Splicing of exons. 3. Rho factor. D. Tata box. 4. snRNAs, TRNA. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1. A2, B4, C1, D3. 2. A3, B2, C4, D1. 3. A3, B4, C1, D2. 4. A4, B3, C1, D2. Answer. 4A4, B3, C1, D2. 97. As per above blood grouping system, the blood group of father is B+, mother is A+, and child is 0+. Their respective genotype can be. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Or only. 2. Bonly. 3. C and Banley. 4. D and E only. Answer. 1. Or only. 98. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. P wave. 1. Heart muscles are electrically silent. B. QRS complex. 2. Depolarization of ventricles. C. T wave. 3. Depolarization of atria. D. TP gap. 4. Repolarization of ventricles. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A1, B3, C4, D2. 2A3, V2, S4, D1. 3A2, B3, C1, D4. 4A4, B2, C1, D3. Answer. 2A3, V2, S4, D1. 99. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Mitochondria and chloroplasts both double membranes bound organelles. Statement 2. Inner membrane of mitochondria is relatively less permeable, as compared chloroplast. In the light of the above statements, choose the means appropriate answer from the options given below. 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. 2. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement E is incorrect. 4. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement E is correct. Answer. 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement E is incorrect. 100. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1. List 2. A. Exophthalmic goiter. 1. Excess secretion of cortisol, moon phase and hyperglycemia. B. Acromegaly. 2. Hyposecretion of thyroid hormone and stunted growth. C. Cushing's syndrome. 3. Hypersecretion of thyroid hormone and protruding eyeballs. D. Cretinism. 4. Excessive secretion of growth hormone. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1A1, B3, C2, D4. 2A4, B2, C1, D3. 3A3, B4, C2, D1. 4A3, B4, C1, D2. Answer. 4A3, B4, C1, D2. Thank you.